Are you ready to level up your look this year? We're about to drop the hottest hairstyles for black guys in 2024, and trust me, you don't want to miss out. From fresh fades to twists and locks that'll turn heads, we've got the insider scoop on all the styles that are fire right now. So, if you're looking to switch up your hair game and stay ahead of the trends, stick around. Let's get those locks looking legendary. First up, we have braids. Braids are a popular hairstyle among black men, including many celebrity rappers like A$AP Rocky, Drake, Travis Scott, Lil Yachty, and Snoop Dogg. Braids can be worn loose, or they can be styled into updos, buns, or ponytails. They can also be accessorized with hair rings, beads, or scarves for added style. Braids are not only a stylish choice, but also a practical one. They can protect the hair from damage and make it easier to manage, especially for those with long or textured hair. However, it's important to take care of braided hair by regularly washing and conditioning the braids and the scalp underneath. Second, we have taper. Depending on your personal style, you can go with mid or low taper. It's a great option for black men because it suits almost all face shapes, and it's easy to pull off for any guy. You really can't go wrong with this hairstyle. Remember, when getting a low taper fade, it's important to go to a skilled barber who is experienced in creating fade haircuts. This will ensure that the fade is done correctly and looks its best. On third, we got wave. Waves can be 360 or 180. You can never go wrong with the GOAT of black hairstyle. Getting the right brush is important for creating that effortless flowing wave pattern. Boar bristle brushes are best for this type of style. Keeping your hair moisturized and conditioned is key to achieving and maintaining waves. On 4, we have dreadlocks, often called locks or dreads, are a hairstyle where the hair is allowed to mat or twist into rope-like strands. They're a popular choice for black men, offering a range of styling options from casual to formal. To style dreads casually, consider a half-up, half-down look or a simple ponytail. For maintenance, regular washing with residue-free shampoo and thorough drying are key to prevent mildew. Anyone can pull off dreads, but they're particularly embraced by those looking to celebrate cultural identity or seeking a low-maintenance hairstyle. Celebrities like A$AP Rocky and Future have popularized dreads. Number 5. Burst fade, Mohawk. The burst fade, Mohawk also known as the South of France fade, was popularized by R&B singer Usher Raymond. In summary, the burst fade, Mohawk haircut for black men is a bold and sculpted look that can be tailored to individual preferences. It requires regular maintenance and skilled barbering to achieve the best results. Number 6. Two-strand twists. Two-strand twists are a versatile and protective hairstyle that can be worn by black men with either short or long hair. They are created by dividing the hair into sections and twisting 2 strands of hair together. The ends are usually curled and held in place with a small amount of hair gel or cream. This hairstyle is a great way to express personal style and can be dressed up or down depending on the occasion. Last but not least, we got semi-free forms. Semi-free form dreadlocks are a hairstyle that allows for some manipulation while still embracing the natural locking process. They are a middle ground between manicured locks, which require regular maintenance, and completely freeform locks, which are left to develop without any intervention. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos.